Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2011 Ford Transit that came in and it was running really roughly, and actually it wouldn't hardly drive itself down the road. We got it in here, started doing some diagnostic work, found a few things that we thought were causing the problem, and then we started really looking into the way the vehicle was running through the scan tool and found that the mass airflow sensor readings were really way off what they should be. And so we went out there and we unplugged the mass airflow sensor, and all of a sudden the truck just started running perfectly. Which is kind of an unusual thing to have happen. So we plug it in, it started running rough, unplug it, and it would be fine. We informed the customer that at least the first thing we needed to do would be to replace the mass airflow sensor. So they said, yeah, go ahead. We got that done, took it for a drive, and after that replacement, the truck ran perfectly. A lot of times you'll run into some weird things like that. That's something that we do kind of specialize in, is being able to track down some of these unusual issues causing your vehicle maybe not to run quite correctly. If you have a vehicle that's running rough, you can't really figure out what's going on, or you're not sure what's going on, we would be happy to take a look at it. We do offer free estimates for that type of a thing. So please give us a call. We'd love to set you up with an appointment, see if we can get you figured out. My name's Dan. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people can get this information.